First position of motivation is the director of plan. Too strong. Rebound on Dato. We're live on the Facebook page to Basketballista. Ignacio. Steal again on Reyes. Edil Alfonso Reyes. Now Passion. Looking for the veteran load. Stop up. Now Cundino. Load. Now fortunate sa Chakla. Passion to Cundino connection. Yes, well moved by Cundino. Now 2-0. Motivation now by 2. Quinto. Air ball. Rebound on the veteran load. Now again, Passion. Steal on Quinto. Now Ignacio went on. Ignacio drive. Let him do it. Too strong. Rebound top. It's now on 9. 9 to Esteba. Back to Quinto. Time to shoot. Esteba. Elbow jump. Rebound again on Passion. 8 minutes, 40 seconds. Now the director sa plan, guarded by Quinto. Same ball. This is our 40 above category. It's now Passion. Laud all along. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On load. 5-0. Now King Datu, Ignacio, elbow jump, too strong again, top. Now it's Cundino again, intercepted. Skip ball, kickball, it's motivation ball. Bounding El Defonso Reyes to Passion. Now again, load, hesitation, looking for Passion, let me try for 3, too strong in and out, rebounded by Ignacio. Ignacio now, looking for 9, hesitation play, steal shot, short, rebound by Esteba, yes on Esteba, it's now 2-5. 3-point lead now against motivation. Sorry now, Magsamoro, Passion. Looking for the director sa plan. Let me try again. Plan to strong top. Rebound on King Datu. Now King Datu to Quinto. Quinto, 1-1. Looking for Esteba. Esteba now. Very way sa plan. Esteba, second time. Rebound on Passion. It's Quinto. Now Quinto looking for King Datu. King Datu is still on Passion. Cundino. Now again, still back also. It's traveling violation ng Bangsamoro. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. First quarter, first game for our 40 above category. It's Bangsamoro against motivation. Now Reyes. 10 seconds to shoot. Short. Bang! Money, money, money! The veteran Lahoud. 8-2. Now 6-point lead on motivation. Quinto. Looking for Ignacio. Now Ignacio drive, kick out pass, King Dato big. King Dato all the way short. Rebound on the minutes, foul. Foul on King Dato. First personal foul on King Dato, second on Bangsamoro. It's 4 minutes and 49 seconds. 8 against 2. Motivation out by 6. Now Sablan. In and out. Again, rebound on King Dato. King Dato now. Guarded now. It's Ignacio. Ignacio, let me fly. Oh! What a move by Ignacio. Steal again on Bangsamoro. 4 minutes and 20. 9. Bang! 6-8. Now slowly, shortly now, motivations up by 2. Sablan, third letter. Now El Defonso. Short top. Rebound again on Deponso. Kick out pass. The veteran break. The veteran now. Galing pa. It's foul. Foul again on number 0 on King Dato. It's second on King Dato. Second personal, second team foul against Bangsamoro. It's 1 out of 2 coming from the veteran load. 6-9. 3-point lead motivation. Now Ignacio now, the 20 it's foul. Foul on number 8. On the director's plan, it's first on the director, second team foul against motivation. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Nice. Ignacio, kick out. Oh! It's miscommunication again now with Bangsamoro. It's back-to-back turnover against Bangsamoro. Now the director's plan, looking for Mindino. Nice pass, pass short, oh, short, top. Now it's the veteran. Now, take the shoot. Short. Now Ignacio. The 50 years old Ignacio left it again. Ignacio! Time out! On motivation now, 8 against 9. 1 point lead now, motivation. Like to thank our sponsors. It's TUI Abu Dhabi, the Anchors, Polar Sports, and Basketballista Mike. Two minutes and 49 seconds. Now Deponso. Pass to the Director Sablan. The Director now. Polo jump. Too strong. It's Passion all alone. Rebound top. It's King Dato. Baseball pass. Quinto. Top. It's the Director now. Looking for load. Veteran now all alone. The veteran pass to the El Deponso. Oh, Abu Dhabi. Now 11 against 8. Slowly but surely now motivation up by 3. Ignacio now, Ignacio short top, rebound by Esteban. Esteban now, pow! All on 46 on El Deponso Reyes. Third on motivation. First personal foul against El Deponso Reyes. Esteban now, 1 out of 1 on the video line. 9-11. 2 minutes. It's 1 out of 2 coming from Esteban. Now Reyes, Dong, acting like a point guard. Kick out pass. It's the veteran load. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, load! 49. Quinto. Looking for 9. Back to Quinto. Rebound on baseball pass. It's Sablan now 16 against 9. It's a 8-point, 9-point now, 7-point lead on motivation. Bang! It's Ignacio 11-16. Up to 5-point lead on motivation. It's 1 minute and 10 seconds. Reyes to Sablan. Sablana escape, kick out pass again. It's now elbow jump short. It's King Dato. 9. Let me do it. Wow. Foul on Passion. It's warning for penalty on motivation. First against Passion. 1:56 seconds. 11-16 our score. Motivation up by 5. Yeah, it's 1 out of 2 coming from 9. 50 seconds. 16 to 12, 45 seconds. In and out, top. It's King Gato again. It's the third rebound of King Gato. Still by the director. The director to Passion, all alone. Bang! Out. Foul on Ignacio. His third foul on Bangsamoro. First personal foul on Ignacio now 18 against 12, 32 seconds. Rebound on King Dato. His feet. Rebound on the game. King Dato now. King Dato looking for Kinto. 20 seconds. Ignacio. Ignacio crossover. Ignacio drive. Ignacio escape. Foul. Foul on number 21 on Cundino. Now motivation and penalty. 16 seconds. 13-8. 18, 13-18. 5-point lead on motivation. 16 seconds short. Rebound on Passion. It's foul. Foul on number 18 on Ignacio. It's second on Ignacio. Warning for penalty on Bangsamoro. 13 seconds. Now, Sablan. Gary Bequito, Quintino, take the pass, it's Passion, fake, Passion drive, 5 seconds, short, rebound on Istava. Now Quinto. And up our first quarter score, it's 15 against 18. Basket counts. Second quarter. It's Bangsamoro ball. The tower of power now in the ball game. Mendez. Nice pass. Foul. Foul on number 22 on Big Daddy's first on Big Daddy. First team foul against motivation.
Mike.
It's 0 to 2.
Sino mga player? Player of player. Mga player ba siya? Mga player.
08.
Now rock and relieve. Nice move. Tapos Big Daddy. Whoa! Big Daddy, right place at the right time. But Big Daddy.
Lahat na sabihin mo.
Now the tower of power for three. Bang! Money! Tower of power Mendez. 18-20. Caluno! Nothing but corner pocket by Caluno to pepper shot.
Shin.
Now Shin.
S-A-I-N.
Nice move, big nice communication again, Bangsamoro, it's 18-7. Now it's Caluno. Second time around, in and out. Rebound on now, kick power tower, baseball pass. Now it's an all-in-one. Oh, basket now, 20 against 22. It's a 2-point lead only by motivation. Now Caluno, pass to rock and relieve. Rock and relieve now. Looking for Araynado. 10 seconds to shoot. Araynado elbow jump. Rebound again on the power tower. Mendez. Smooth pass again with second time. Shen short. Top. It's Lim. Rock and relieve now. Rock and roll now. Pull out jump. Bang! Money! Nothing but net coming from rock and relieve. 24 to 20. Now Adam, let me try. Pow! Foul on number 5 on Arenado's first on Arenado's second team foul motivation.
Thank you. Wag na.
It's score 24 against 20. Against 0-2 coming from Adam. Aura can do now. Aura can roll one stop up. Looking for Big Daddy. Big Daddy hook. Whoa! It's Big Daddy! 26-20. Shane. Looking for the power tower. Pay. The power tower now. Ganyan by Kalunod. Power tower now. Susep now. Rebound on Arenado. It's running violation on Arenado. 7 minutes and 20. Nice play.
Lumbrang.
Now Shen. Yeah, he's still again on motivation. Motivation now is 4-2. Motivation looking for Big Daddy. Bang! By Adam. It's 7 minutes. 6.3. Only on motivation. Rebound on the tower power. Oh! Miscommunication again on Bangsamoro. Back-to-back turnover on Bangsamoro. Foul on number 24 on Ali. Personally, first team foul against Bangsamoro. 5 minutes and 26 seconds. 26 against 20. Short. Now tower of power now. It's tower power again. The tower power blocked by guy. Oh, it's foul. Foul on number 5 on Arenado. 30 foul on division.
Second Arenado.
Second personal foul on Arenado. It's 5 minutes, 7 seconds remaining time. Third quarter. 21-26. Now 22-26, only 4-point lead against Federation.
He will come now. He brings the gel. Give him. He is coming to give him his money.
Second quarter, please. Second quarter.
Arenado. It's Bangsamoro ball. Bangsamoro. Steal by Kalunod. Kalunod na, it's foul. Foul on Bangsamoro on Ali. Second personal foul against Ali. Second on Bangsamoro. It's 1-2 coming from, it's foul! Basket down and 1 on Arenado. Foul on the timeout against Bangsamoro. First time out of the game on second quarter. It's 29-22 our score. And our next game, next match, for our Open League category, it's Delta versus BBZ. Against 22. Nice pass outside. Oh, it's rubbing again by Shane. Turnover again on Bangsamoro. It's second turnover of this game. Second quarter. Rock and relief. Ani by Lumbrano. Kick out pass. Now it's still by Ali. Lumbrano short. Rock and relief. Big Daddy, short, in and out, top. Araynalo, naribano na Adam. It's Adam time, guarded by Kalunod. Adam. Coronation now, Coronation. Back to pass. Tower power now, tower power dive, looking pass, Coronation, is still again. Kalunod. 1-1, 1-3, it's Kalunod! Foul! Foul on Lumbrano, it's 13 foul on Bangsamoro first. Against Lumbrano, it's 3 minutes remaining time, 30 against 22. Third one against 22, 3 minutes! Rebound and Reynaldo, top. It's Kalunod. Shen. Power now, Mendez. It's Mendez. Shot from Mendez again, deep on top. It's Shane. Shane. Drive. Looking for Coronation. Coronation. Bang. 24 to 31. 7-point lead now on Motivation. Record relief. Looking for Arroyo. Hey. Drive, kick out pass, Big Daddy, bang! Big Daddy! Foul on number 19. On Coronation, it's first on Coronation, fourth team foul, Bangsamoro, warning for penalty, Bangsamoro. Now, tower power now. Tower power goes to course. Bang! You can call me, but now warning for penalty also for Motivation. Basket count and 1 on the tower power Mendez. Oh, in and out, top, Shea. Tower power now, let me know. 28 to 33. It's a 5-point lead now, Motivation. 1 minute and 50. Work and relief. Kali by Lumbrano. Short, top. Again, work and relief. Nice, still by Shea. All alone. To Lumbrano. Lumbrano. Bang! 13 to 23. 3-point lead now on Motivation. Now it's him. Looking for Araynalo. Araynalo fake. Elbow jump. In and out. It's Big Daddy. Shea. And now 1-1. It's now the tower power. Bang! Time out. On Motivation. It's 1 minute and 20 seconds. 33 against 32. One minute and 20 seconds. 33 against 32. Bangsamoro now down by 1. Now Rock and relief. Kadi by Lumbrano. It's Araynalo. 1-1 by Coronation. Caluno elbow jab. Favorite shot on Caluno. 35 to 32. 1 minute. Coronation. Oh, Hangsan Coronation. 34 to 35. Arenado. Caluno elbow jab for guy too strong. Rival Arroyo. Arroyo to Arenado. 40 seconds. Bang! You can stop there, Kalunod. It's now 1-1. It's foul.
Big Daddy.
Foul on number 88 on Kalunod. Now motivational penalty.
Kalu. 8 or 88?
Saan ba 8 ba dyan?
8. Lumbrano.
Sino po siya?
88.
Bulang lang lang.
$29 seconds. Now 2-out-2 coming from the Tower Power. Mendez, 28 seconds. Rockadoli, pull-out jumper. Bang! Mane, mane, mane! 15! Whoa! Tower Power! And now for second quarter, it's 39 against the 37.
Dalawa na yung pinto, dalawa nun. Dalawa kayo, dalawa.
37-39. 37 against 39.
Dalawa yung shot ni Mendez. Ayun, dalawa.
Bawas. Bawas tayo muna, pag sa muro.
Si Mark naman? My goodness. Anya na
Third
lang
quarter.
na. Anong ang Bisaya na ngayon? Karon, Mark, karon! Para pa naman si Sheriff. Maglalaro din si Sheriff? Parang galing-galing na. Sino si Marquez? Yung medyas binayaran na yan?
Hindi ko lang, pero
Third quarter. It's motivation ball, motivation.
Alam naman ni Mark.
balik
Siya
natin.
pa nga nagsasabi sa akin na
Lahat
lowest
mga
to.
hindi lang siya.
It's motivation ball, motivation.
Thirteen. Makoy, 13.
Pasyon.
Sino? 11.
Makoy.
11.
Too strong. Top. Rebound by Ignacio. Ignacio. Quinto. Short. Rebound on Ignacio. Ignacio land. Guarded by Luis. All on number 7 on load. His first on the veteran load. First on motivation. It's 25. All on 25. All on number 25 on Biner. His first on Sir Biner. First team foul. Against Motivation. Now 38 to 39. 1 point lead now. Motivation. Or a tie. In and out. Now Passion. Carried by it's back to Passion. Elbow jump. Bang! Money! Coming from Passion. 41-38. 3-point lead on Motivation.
5 minutes mo, stop mo.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On the tower, Power Mendez! 41 all! Nice lead by Mark. It's 4 on 3, 4 on 1 top. Rebound foul.
Nice one.
Foul number 9 and Passion. It's second team foul on Motivation.
Nice now.
First against Passion, Sir Passion. Now 8 minutes and 39 seconds. 41 all.
Tasman na siya, Tasman!
It's again 0 to 2.
Baba na.
Now 8 minutes and 34 seconds. Third quarter, first game for our 40 above category. It's Tabiner. Escape. Hook. Short. Tap. It's McCoy. Now Passion. 40 to shoot. Passion hits. Foul. Foul on number 11 on Bangsamoro. It's first. Second team foul on Bangsamoro.
Karawagan.
Nice pass, Tabiner. Nowhere to go. McCoy. McCoy, Oregon, Bicolan, Oregon at McCoy. It's 8 minutes! Again, the tower of power, hesitation, drive with Passion. Now, Ignacio drive, nice back to Steve with Passion! Zigzag, coast to coast, it's foul! Foul on number 14 on Quinto. Now, second 14 foul on Bangsamoro. Still 7 minutes, 41 seconds, 41 all. Again, 0. Oh, it's Mark. Now it's on the tower power dad. Short. Now rebound on Motivation. Again, turnover on Motivation. It's 7 minutes and 23 seconds, 41 all. It's a deadlock game for a third quarter. It's Ignacio. Drive, stop up. Looking back at number 2. Now it's number 11 drive. It's side step move. Kick out pass. All the time. Bang! Bang, bang, bang. Oh, the tower power. Mendez now 44 to 41. A 3-point lead on Bangsamoro. McCoy. Biner. It's in Poncho. Now in Poncho. Na Passion, long train out. Turnover again on Motivation. It's now 44 to 41. 3-point lead on Bangsamoro. Ignacio. Steal and Passion. 2 on 2. Passion to down. Bang. Bang. You cannot stop me, the veteran load. 44 to 43. Power now. No hesitation shot. Bang! Male. 47-43. What a shot coming from the tower power. Now Passion pass. Minutes the Poncho. Drive. In the Poncho is foul. Foul on the tower power Mendez. It's 13 foul on Bangsamoro.
Oh, pwede na mag-sub. Sub tayo, sub. Pwede na pumasok, sub.
This first.
First personal foul on the tower power Mendez.
Up. Pwede na mag-sub, ha?
Time up daw.
Time out! On Bangsamoro, it's 44-47. 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Only 3-point lead now. It's Bangsamoro. Shea now in the ballgame. All alone. In and out. Top. Rebound. Big. Black. By Diponso. Now to Director Sablan. El Diponso. Now the Director. Makoy. The Bicolano Express. 46 to 47. Now 1 point lead on Bangsamoro. Shea. Now the tower power now. Nice pass outside to Esteban. Blank by Andre Poncho. It's down to the assist. Looking for his foul. Foul on number 8 on the Director Sablan. It's 13 foul on motivation. Second personal foul on the Director Sablan. 2 free throw shots for the tower power in this. 48, 46. Bangsamoro now up by 2. Ace, 1 out of 2 coming from Mendes. Now the tower power to throw. Rebound on Liponso. It's Liponso now, guard by 3. Baseball pass. Out. It's turnover again on motivation. It's 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Now it's at it's nice pass. Looking for down in this. Hesitation. Elbow jump. Fake. Wala mo. Foul. Foul on number 13. Substitution up. Sub rep sub. On the Bicolano Express. Set. Makoy.
Si Jerry. Boss Jerry, pahinga lang saglit para condition.
3 minutes, 41 seconds. Our score, only 2-point lead on relation. Esteban. Foul! Basket down and 1 on Esteban. Foul on number 25. Second personal foul on Biner. 1 per penalty on relation. It's 50-46.
Ito si Sablan.
4-point lead on Bangsamoro.
Yaring kawa, yaring. Shoot.
Pero sa third quarter, walang pilihan. Walang kami yun.
0 to 1 by Esteban. Reynaldo, 1-on-1 by Ice. Foul. Foul on Abdulaziz. It's warning for penalty now in Bangsamoro. First on Abdulaziz. Edil Poncho, short.
Uy!
Coronasyon. Still on the Bicol Express. It's the Director Sablan all alone. Arenal Blacks. Foul. Foul on Coronasyon. It's now Bangsamoro penalty. Second personal foul on Coronasyon. 50-46. 4-point lead on Bangsamoro. Now 47-50.
هذا ملقانة انت في منك
48 against 50. Coronasyon. Oh! Wala shot coming from Coronasyon. No swalak. Foul on 46 on Reyes. El Defonso. Now 2 minutes and 36 seconds. 52-48. Now with the Bangsamoro up by 4. Rebound on Biner. Looking for the Director Sablan. Sablan now. It's passed to now the Defonso. And defensor Reyes. 1 and 2. Guard by 2. It's Biner. Looking for. Oh! It's still a Bangsamoro. Esteban. Esteban now. 3 on 2. Esteban the save. Turnover again on Bangsamoro. 2 minutes. Arenado. Hey. Arenado at Bujabins. Foul on Abdulaziz. Penalty not. It's penalty.
Abdulaziz second.
Second personal foul on Abdulaziz. Two free throw shots given by Reynaldo. 49 against 52. It's 50-52, 2-point lead na Bangsamoro. Foul. Penalty. Third personal foul on Director Sablan.
Nice end!
53 against 50. Now it's 2 out of 2 coming from Sen. 54-50 support for 18 ng Bangsamoro. Oh, it's Cylinder. 50-52. We have now a Cylinder now. It's Coronacion. It's Coronacion now. Garner to Raymano. Coronacion by Coronacion. Blank by the ball. So it's Shay's foul.
Retro!
Foul number 25. Von Biner. Penalty. Two free throw shots coming from Shay.
Winner third.
Third personal foul on Biner. We will call it the silent. Oh, it's Shay. 55-52. It's 2 out of 2 from Shay. 56-52. 1 minute.
Kalkal na tayo, Sen.
50 seconds. It's still by Esteban. It's Shea. 3 on 2. 4 on 2. Looking for nice. Oh, now 58-52. 30 seconds. Esteban.
Tira!
Nice pass. Nice pass. Blah! Not in my house. Assist the Ponto. 26 seconds. It's my house. Coronacion. Time to shoot. High. Air ball. Esteban. Top. 10 seconds. It's 9 seconds. 9 seconds. High. And now for third quarter score is 58-52. All bad Bangsamoro. Fourth quarter rally.
Nagbabayad din sila sa race ng one entry. Di, lugi ka, nagbabayad ka ng... Well,
Yung front kasi yung bata ba? Nakita yung Jacob natin. Umuwi sa Pinas ng balo sa 1 nabayaran sa akin.
Hindi na nagpapacharcoal, kaya sabahin mo agad.
Last quarter. Inbounding Esteban. 9. Esteban. Drive. In and out. Oh, it's Kindato! Oh, what a rebound coming from Kindato.
Iangat mo na, ano ba ka? Kalabaw! Matakot mag-carpon.
Ignacio, 10 seconds to shoot. Ignacio. 5. Rebound on El Deponso. Now it's loud. Coming for Nice pass outside. Caluno. Oh, in and out. It's foul.
Balance from him how much? 1,000? Yeah, 1,000. 1,000 balance.
Usman Rep. Foul on number 18 on Ignacio.
Ignacio third.
Third personal foul on Ignacio.
Ang dami naman nito.
The veteran load. Too strong. Top. Rebound. On Deponcho. Caribe 2. Now it's Ignacio escape. Now the other Deponcho. And Deponcho looking to the veteran load. Shot. 58 against the 52. 8 minutes and 28 seconds. Fourth quarter. Nine. Ignacio ban. Ignacio. El Diponcho. Galing dato. Foul.
Mendez.
Foul on number 10.
Mendez.
On the tower, Power Mendez.
Second.
Second personal foul on the tower, Mendez. Second on Bangsamoro. Power now. Nice defense. Oh, it's motivation ball, motivation.
Hoy, kung ano?
The veteran load. Arroyo. Nowhere to go. Block. Behind by the tower. Oh, no. Top. It's Datu. 3 on 2. 4 on 2. Datu. Still by Arroyo. Turnover on motivation. It's 7 minutes and 10 seconds. 60 against 52. Bangsamoro up by 8.
4 minutes tayo.
Rebound. Oh, Niliponcho. Arroyo. Looking for. Now it's foul. Small rep. Foul number 47 to net. 13 foul on Bangsamoro. Substitution. Are on 9. It's first on 9.
Bago pinto.
$53 to 60. It's a 7-point lead now. Bangsamoro. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. It's a 1 out of 2 coming from the veteran load.
Tigit!
One escape! Yeah! Foul! Foul on number 46 on Reyes. First team foul on division.
Reyes third.
Third personal foul on Reyes.
Kasi akala niya, grabe kasi pagpasa mo, sama hambang kala niya, grabe.
61 to 53. Now 8-point lead. On Bangsamoro.
Ako nga hihingi nun sa'yo eh. Ay, pinasa mo sa kanya.
Paano mo siya daw?
Rebound Arenado. Lee. Kalunod. Bang! Nothing but net. Ay Bangsamoro by Kalunod. Steal again by Reyes. Lim. Too loud. Now the veteran tries the in and out top. Is now in the poncho. 57-61. 4-point lead now Bangsamoro. 9 now. No one to go harass. Is still now. Now it's Datu. Looking for the King Tower now. Now it's a pop-up. Nice pass. Esteba block. Esteba again. Esteba foul. Foul on number 46. on Depancho. Fourth personal foul now on Reyes. Warning on Reyes.
Oh, yung ano natin, manager natin.
62-57. Basket substitution error.
May manager tayo.
Nice!
Time out! On motivation, 63-57, the 6-point lead. On Bangsamoro.
Sino nag-time out?
Laruin na dyan yun, laruin yun.
Four minutes and 50 seconds. 63-57. Lim. Working on Lim. Arrendado. Nice pass. Calolo elbow down. It's Calolo. Coronation. Oh! It's Robin Melissa. Nice defense on the point of 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Lim. Ah! It's still now. It's now Tower Power. Tower Power. Oh! Now 64. 65 to 59. Let's the veteran. Whoa! 61 to 65. 4-point lead now Bangsamoro. 3 minutes and 40.
Nice. Throw control time.
Ignacio. It's foul.
Graduate.
Aranaido.
Foul on number 5 on Reynaldo. It's 13 foul on motivation. Third personal foul against Reynaldo. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. 65 against 61. 4-point lead Bangsamoro. Three minutes and 25 seconds. This is our last quarter. 40 above category. It's 1 of 2 coming from Tower Power Mendez. Still on Coronation. Tower Power, kick out pass to Quinto. Hey, Quinto again. Looking for someone. Still on the Quinto. Coronation. 3-second violation on the Tower Power. Mendez, 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 66-61. Still 5-point lead. On Bangsamoro. Lim. Arrendado. It's Arrendado 63 against the 66. Ignacio, 1-1 with the veteran. Ignacio now, run by Kalunod. 10 seconds to shoot. Kick out pass is Leva. Foul on number 6 on Rock and Roll. It's first on Rock and Roll. Warning for penalty application. 2 minutes and 16 seconds. 66 against the 63. Yan out.
Isa lang!
Okay na yung depensa yun, ha? Okay na yan. Dato ako na palitan. Papasok ako, pagpalitan.
Isa lang!
Now Rock and Roll.
3 points lang yan.
Arellano. Kalunod. Side corner pocket. Short. Rebound on. It's foul.
Paano tawan?
Foul on number 14 on Quinto. Warning for penalty. Bangsamoro. Substitution net. Substitution. For 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Second personal foul on Quinto. Kalunod. Bang! Money, money, money! Ignacio is foul. Number 5 on now motivational penalty. Or personal foul number 5 on Arnaido. Warning on Arnaido. Fourth foul. Personal foul Arnaido.
Sen! Kailan ka ba pretro? Kay Loud to. Ikaw yung magana.
67-65 on the ball game. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Only 2-point lead on Bangsamoro. It's 2 out to 2 coming from the Tower Power. Mendez. 68, 65. Arellano, Lim, long 3. In and out by lane. Now rebound again on Bangsamoro. Now Tower Power, Gary Arellano. It's Arellano, Gary Lim. It's now Ignacio. Ignacio, Gary Lim. Ignacio, Ignacio stop up. He can pass. It's a Tower Power. Mendez. Foul on number 6. On Rock and Relief. Now, formation up on the limit.
Sen! Loud, dito na sa ito. Loud. Huwag ka na yun.
70-65. Time out. 71-65 to 6-point lead. On Bangsamoro. What a ball game! What a ball game! For our 40 above category, 71 against the 65. 6-point lead on Bangsamoro. Shot clock 14, shot clock 14. Inbounding Rock and Relief. Kalunod. Lim. Then to shoot. Arellano. Top. Rebound on the Tower Power now. It's 4-on-1. Tower Power. Bang. 73-65. 8-point now. Get turnover on motivation. 39 seconds. 8-point lead. Bangsamoro. Curnacion. Esteva. 30 seconds. Shane. Now it's the Tower Power. 25 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 5.
Tapusin na yan. Para malinis.
Ignacio. In and out. Top. Now Arellano. Lead. 10 seconds. Bang. Bang, bang, bang. Time out. On Bangsamoro, it's 73-68. 5-point lead only on Bangsamoro. 7 seconds, 7 seconds.